Hello everyone, I'm Ladir Sanyal from RM Batch 1921 and I'm here to discuss about my experience of the RPS project that we did. We considered going into the fish market and we had taken up the fish market of Bhubaneswar, the main in the unit sector market that they have. And over there we met with the different fish sellers, the wholesaler especially, and we spoke to them, also with the general secretary of the union of that place. Now, the kind of experience we had was an eye-opener, because given the fact the entire area in which these people were working on was selling the fish and the entire heart was existing, or the market was existing, was more of no man's land. It was just belonging to the government and these people were using it illegally. So it might so happen that in any day a government might come up, government official might turn up and say that you have to leave or vacate the area, and they had no other option. Now, coming to the distributor's point of view, they were maintaining the supply lines from the Ganjam district of Odisha and also from the Andhra area. These fishes were coming from the Andhra and Ganjam district to Bhubaneswar, and then they used to go out on an auction in the same place, and people, and especially the retailers, used to buy it from them and then sell it to the customer. Now, given the fact there was no class or caste barrier in the entire area, as we found from people belonging to any religion, any cultural background, any caste section were also working over there. And especially people were quite hampered about the fact that the funny happened. Due to that, they had a huge amount of damage, property damage, monetary damage, but there was nothing that came up from the government side also in that sense. So they were waiting for the compensation. And since I'm talking about the month of August, early August, that we did this project, and apart from that, we were more into the socio-economic condition of the people, how they were working and what they were doing over there. The thing was that it was overall a very flourishing market, but also at the same time people were under a very bad sort of an economic situation, given the fact the selling of the fish depended upon the month and season. For example, in the month of Kartik, they would find that the fish rates used to go down because there was huge supply of the fish, but people were not there to buy it. And also on the other side, if you see from month of May, as it started to the month of August, the sale of the fish used to pick up, and also at the same time, the prices also used to pick up. So it was depending upon the seasonality and depending upon the festivities and the months that the whole price and demand area of the thing was working. So that's all from my side about the experience of fishing and fishery productions in Bhubaneswar. Thank you.